So good evening po. My name is Carl Garcia. So I am your speaker for tonight. Okay, and I'll be talking about the essentials of day trading. So this learning session is brought to us by Lirunex Markets. Okay, so what we're going to talk tonight is about day trading. We'll try to define it, advantage and disadvantages of day trading. Okay, trading with the structure. Okay, bakit importante kailangan may structure, okay, may flow yung ginagawa natin. I'll share the way I trade, day trading ideas for today. Okay, at least for the New York session for tonight. Sige, tingnan natin. So, first of all, for some of you na ngayon lang, 'di ba, naka-attend ng seminars or webinars about forex trading, let's talk about muna what is forex trading in the Philippines. 'Di ba? Legit ba 'tong pinapasok ko? Am I on the right place? Ako mamaya ano to. Just kidding. So, what is forex trading in the Philippines? So, spot forex trading has no regulating body in the Philippines. Okay, thus there is no laws about spot forex trading that exists as of yet. Okay, so let me highlight spot forex. Spot forex. So wala pa siyang regulating body. So ang kinikater ni Lirunex Markets is spot forex. Okay, so you might be wondering, okay, yung mga bangko, bank, what else? Money changer, di ba? They do forex trading, di ba? Physical, traditional na forex trading ginagawa nila. Okay, and thus they are regulated by the BSP and the SEC and some of the regulating bodies. But for spot forex, wala pa siya. Walang regulating body. Okay? All right. So while it's illegal to put up a local broker in the Philippines that deals with spot forex trading, okay, working with a reputable broker such as Lirunex, who is based outside of the country, is definitely not. Okay? And of course, learning about forex trading or attending webinars or seminars like this is definitely not illegal. Okay? So, next topic, okay, we'll talk about the definition. Okay? So let's define them. It is a buying and selling of assets in the course of a single day. Okay? In a course of a single day. So again, what is day trading? All right, buying and selling of assets, trading in the course of a single day. So hindi to overnight, di ba? Natulugan mo, na-extend yung trade mo the following day, hindi to for the few days or weeks or months. Single day. Okay? So, there. What else? It can occur on any marketplace, okay, but it's usually typical for most liquid markets like Forex, okay, and stock markets. Okay. Day traders aim to profit from small price movements in highly liquid markets and are very versatile in their trading approach. So they can be, they can be buying one asset in the morning and selling it in the afternoon. Okay. So let me emphasize this. Okay. Profit from small price movements. Day trading. Okay. Why I would like to emphasize this? Kasi, alam niyo yun, if you don't have any structure yet in trading, let's say hindi mo pa alam kung ano ka ba, day trader ka ba, swing trader, sometimes when we analyze the market, diba, we have this kind of expectation na, diba, parang hindi naman nakaayon, di ba? Hindi nakaayon sa current structure ng market and sa current timing ng isang araw. Like for example, you would like to buy here. You would put the TP or profit target at least 500 pips above. I mean, is it day trading? Obviously not. Okay, so yeah, we're just simply looking, okay, to profit from small price movements. That's it. Let's talk about the advantages ni day trading. Okay, so number one, walang overnight risk. Okay, therefore, you are 100% cash by the end of the day. What else? So earnings compound faster. Okay, Money made in the previous day can be used, the following day, thus it accelerates earning. Okay, let me make this clear. Okay, compound faster. Hindi ibig sabihin that you can earn, fast. You can be a millionaire overnight. Okay, so that be clear, guys. What else? Of course, if you are that, based on your personality, if you're that person who's looking for to be thrilled or in excitement, kasi alam niyo naman, diba, whenever you choose something, whether it's career, business, you have to know your personality, diba? Is this something that I can bear, diba? So it's the same thing. Okay, if you're that kind of person, then day trading could be for you. So welcome po sa bagong attend. I mean sa kaka-join lang sa room. Welcome. Okay. So now let's talk about disadvantages. Okay, number one, it's more stressful. Okay, it requires attention. Okay, market timing. Okay, it does not work for everyone. All right. I mean, we can argue about a lot of disadvantages. Okay, some articles would list about 1 to 10 disadvantages. I mean, we can argue about more, but to me, ito lang naman siya. Okay, market timing. Okay, and you know the stress that's associated with day trading. Okay, and I mean, di ba? Some of us could not be able to bear the stress, and therefore, it affects the psychological well-being. Hindi ka na makapag-isip ng maayos. Hindi mo na ma-apply yung trading plan mo. Okay, you become too emotional, and and things like that. And number two is the market timing. Why is that? Di ba? Whenever you do trading kasi, you want to take part on a certain sessions or timing na maganda yung volume. 'Di ba? Like for example, ang kaya mo lang ialat na oras is, let's say, 1 to 2 hours a day. And the time that you can probably trade are, let's say, sabihin natin from 11 a.m. Philippine time to 12 noon. And 1 hour a day. Okay. And then the rest, you're occupied with work, with family, with business, and so on. So to be quite honest, okay, this particular timing won't give you that much time. That kind of movement that you're looking for. Okay, kaya hindi siya para sa lahat. Okay? So, yeah, ito lang talaga. You have to trade, you have to participate or trade on the timing or the session that has most volume, and to be more particular during opening of each session dapat. Okay, so you cannot just trade randomly. Yeah, meron akong free time today. Okay, may 15 minutes ako. Okay, open ko yung MT4. I'll open the platform and play some trades. So yeah, that's just for me. Okay. Now, let's talk about the realities naman of day trading. Okay, let's talk about the realities. I mean, siguro some of you might get discouraged, especially sa mga bago, but this is the best way talaga to start your career. I mean, you have to know the what lies ahead, 'di ba? Ano yung mga madadaanan mo, ano yung mga challenges na na nakakaharapin mo. Okay, some brokers would not discuss this. I mean, some webinars or seminars that are being posted by other brokers won't discuss this. I mean, they want you to hear only the good things, like, how can you make money? What are the trading strategies that works? Things like that. Okay, so dito, real talk tayo dito. I mean, yeah, well, let's talk about all things, okay, that could stop you, okay, from getting what you want in trading. So, number one, all right, hard work is required. Okay, just like other new ventures in life. Okay, whether it's work or business, you need to work hard, okay, for you to get what you wanted. All right? So dito, hindi pwedeng, di ba? May natutunan kang isang strategy, natuto ka paano mag-open ng platform, paano mag-buy and sell, that's it. Okay, you need to work hard, you need to learn, all the concepts that's needed for you to, to come up, okay, with the trading strategy that will work for you. Okay? So there's no overnight success here. So kung napunta ka dito dahil may nakita kang video na, okay, you can become millionaire overnight. So I'm sorry to say this, but no, trading is not that kind. I mean, it's not that easy. Okay, what else? Um, Random events are common. Okay, random events are common, such as this example, the Evergrande. Have you heard Evergrande? I mean, what happened to Evergrande? For those who does not know, I mean, this is like a real estate giant in China. In the Philippines, ang counter parang si ano dito, si DMCI or SMBC. Ganun siya kalaki. So what happened was they had suffered a huge debt. Okay, and as a result, they have defaulted some of their payments, and obviously it gives a bad rap to the company, and it causes investors to panic. The entire market has collapsed for quite some time, at least for a few days. There was this huge sell off in the market. Okay, so but is this really something that I have to be scared of? I don't think so. But as a day trader, I would love see some random events in the market. Diba? I mean, at the end of the day, like I said, from the definition, we are just after for small. We are looking to profit for small price movement. Okay, if events like this can give me like 100 pips in just 1 hour, why not? It doesn't matter if it goes up or down, diba? What's important is we're on the right side, diba? We are on the sell side, diba? If it's really a sell off environment, so we should be okay. Okay, we should be okay with events like this. All right, but it's also one of the reason, okay, that diba, could break your heart if you're on the wrong side and there are no measures in place, diba, para ma-prevent mo to. Itong mga ganitong klaseng scenario. Okay? On the left-hand side, we can see that there's no rejection. Okay? That's why we cannot. This is something that I was doing in the past, is that babalik ako sa pinakamalayo na pwede mong marating, like, di ba, wala kang ngayon nakikita. Wala kang ngayon nakikitang rejection sa left-hand side. So, before, what I was doing is that I would go back to the very, hanggang sa kaya kong abutin. So, but, throughout the years, what I've realized is that, if you would really want to catch up some few pips from this kind of structure, okay, don't go far beyond. Okay, so let's just you would have to name, okay, you would have to name the reward here. Okay, kasi there's a big possibility that pag na-break niya to, it would magtuloy-tuloy siya. Okay, but the question there is for how long, diba? How much time it would, you would need to spend in order to catch that kind of move. Okay, so for me, diba, whatever the time would permit, then I would accept that. So possible kasi niyan, diba? Ganito siya. Breaking this area, we are looking for a bear candle to close at 1750.83, at least for the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour. Ito yung hanahanap natin. Bear candle that would close here, and we switch back to this to 15 or 30-minute candle, we want to see a retouch or from this or retrace from 1750. Not really a candle that would close back to the zone, but at least just the price would touch this again, and I'm cool with that. Okay, next 15-minute bear candle, I'm gonna take the sell. Okay, or that is if we are still outside New York session, like medyo maaga ka nag-trade. Okay? However, if you are na-timingan mo, nasa New York open ka na, 8:30 p.m. Manila, 9:30 p.m. or 10:30, may pre-market kasi, 8:30 to 9:30. So, pwede mo nang sabayan yan. Okay, I would take the sells at the low of this bear candle. Okay, kung saan siya nag-close ha. So, that's where I'm looking to sell. Or, pwede naman na dito eh. Kasi possible na pwede siyang mag-close na ganyan lang. What's important is a bear candle closing below 1750.83. Thank you guys. Thank you. This is me again, Coach Carl. Thank you for staying with me tonight. Good night.